Welcome to MOX Calibration software. In today's video, we'll take a look at one of MOX key quality and compliance tools, Technician Qualifications. Let's get started.
From the home screen, the dashboard, you go to Administration and then the Qualifications. As you can see, we have two qualifications at 3 different levels here. We have 6.5 digit DMM level 1 through 3, and we have micrometers level 1 through 3. So the first thing you want to do is create a qualification by hitting the Add button, and we're going to create a qualification for torque wrenches. Level 1. And there's your qualification type. And we're going to require an effective date and an authority. You can also require a certificate to be added there. So that way there's some kind of a certificate showing there was training. And we can require an expiration date, but I don't have a certificate here to show. So I'm just going to show you these two for now. So once that qualification is created, you hit save. And now you go to your qualification list, and I can see there's torque wrenches, level 1. So now what you need to do is give this qualification to a technician. So going back up to your administration, or you can see here, I have them along here under administration. I go to my users. I'm going to check on Carlos Esperanza and go to his qualifications. As you can see, he can do DMMs level 1 and 3 and micrometers. We're going to add a role. Just click add. You can, if you don't know the name of it, you can click here or just go like that. But as you can see here, there it is. Issuing authority. Effective date today. If you want to give an expiration date, you can do that. And here's where you would upload that certificate. Now he's qualified to do any torque wrenches with a level 1, but now the assets. So if you go into the assets tab here, first you can see you want to set up any one for the equipment class. You can start. And under equipment class, you'll see that we have torque wrenches by clicking filters. There we go. Oops. Let's try it this way. Torque wrench. And under qualifications, you can click add. And there's your torque wrench. So what that means is anytime an asset is received and given the equipment class of torque wrench, anyone who calibrates this must also have this same qualification. Show filter, manufacturer. So we have a Snap-on TQ250. Double click that. Go to qualifications. It already has the level 1 over there because that has the equipment class of torque wrench. So you can see how that was carried over. And then if we go to the actual asset, you can see its qualification carried over from the equipment class as well. If you don't want to do it at the equipment class, you can set this qualification, as you can see here, by just clicking add. And you can set the qualification at the equipment class, the asset level, or the model number. Now, when you receive a torque wrench, go ahead and create a work order. Click on the work order. I'll receive this asset. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that we have the data sheet, the procedure, and the qualifications. So whoever calibrates this, Carlos, must also have the same qualification. So once you've assigned an asset and a qualification, you've given a qualification to a technician, then when that technician goes to calibrate the piece of equipment, as you can see here at the end of this work order, I have to select technician. And when I do that, you can see that there are two technicians here. One of them has the qualification, as Carlos we gave earlier, and the other one does not. And that is how qualifications work in MOX.